Hello everyone, in this video I will try to explain the layout settings and how did they apply to our themes. Okay, so essentially let's first start with the site main layout. The main layout of the site is the wrapper that will hold the content of every page on your website. So essentially if we go to the home page of this theme that we are using for the showcase, what will happen and what you can notice if you go to edit the main layout from here, for example, you will notice that we have the header that we created in the layout and we have the footer. And also we have the layout content widget. So if you go here and try to find the layout content, apply it, it will be used for the dynamic page content of the website. So this header and this footer will be repeated on every page. So if we go to the search page also, you will see the header and the footer, but the content will replace this widget that we added here. And essentially that is all there is to the layout content. Okay, if we change the active one to the other, it will automatically change on every page that we are trying to access. Okay, so as you can see, maybe you cannot see, but here we have different header and the footer, and it's based on these layouts. So if we bring this back to the active and refresh, that one will show up. You can also always edit the current layout by clicking here or by clicking here. So I just clicked control and click, so it opened in the new window, but essentially that's the same layout that we accessed from this button. Okay, so essentially you may ask what and how you can achieve another thing, and that thing is, for example, on the search page and on the all other pages, you wish to have the main layout, but on the home page you wish to have a transparent layout, for example, that you already created. So if we go to the transparent layout, here you will see the similar setup. We have the header, we have the footer and the dynamic content, but here the header is transparent. Okay, so how we can present it only for this page, and on all the other pages we wish to use the active, in this case, main layout. So we can go and click to edit this page with the Elementor. Okay, click on page settings. In the newer Elementor versions it is here. It was on the other place in the older ones, but if you're using our themes, you will most likely have the newest version of Elementor. So click on page settings, go to the page layout, go to this page layout and choose the one that you wish to use for this page only. So let's set it to transparent layout, click publish, and if we go back, click refresh, on this page we will have the transparent layout, but on the search page and any other page we will have the main layout chosen here. Okay, the next thing that we have, let me just bring back this. The next thing that we have is the listing layout. This template is a template that will be used for the single listing template. So everything that you see here we created by the car template. You can click and rename any of the templates however you want and just click save. If you go and click to edit the car template, just give it a second, you will see that we utilized what we have on the live page here. Okay, and basically that's it. You're using the elements, and any element that you add, and you can find in our documentation about all of these elements that we have in the Elementor that are available to you. But the important thing for the template that you are editing and that you are creating is what listing will be displayed as the showcase listing, so the one that you wish to work with. So essentially you can change it easily by going to the post settings, preview listing. If this is empty, a default one will be automatically applied for you, but if we want to use some other, you can choose it and it will automatically refresh to the other one. In case this doesn't happen or anything is not applied, maybe you can just click on reload and the showcase listing will be Renault Rafale. It is using BMW, but this is good image. We just used a wrong image but by this you know that it has been changed. The same thing apply for the blog and for the post. If we go to edit the blog post, here you can see the blog post. If we want to change the listing that is used for the demo that we work with, you can change the preview post and that's it. For the blog, everything is the same, and essentially, as you can see, everything is pretty much easy. You can just choose the element that you wish to use, choose the configuration, and voila, that's it. You have the blog post. You can create as many of them as you like, but the one that is active will be used. Soon we will make it possible to have different templates based on the category that is being visited, but in due time we will make a video about that too. Thanks a lot for watching.